The difference between RISE compared to normal client engagements with SAP, where you've got your own data center or it's sitting in a hyperscaler, is that with the clean core, SAP are very strict about what can go into the environment. The migration has a large number of steps and it's quite complex. It can take a client a long time to plan and execute. When you do that migration, it's not immediately clean core. There is an opportunity to do an end-to-end life cycle of this process so that when a client gets to the target space, there isn't a surprise to say, okay, well, I've moved there, and according to what SAP have said, I don't have to do any more work because SAP is handling that. At that point, we fill that role in and we ensure that the system is in the right place when we do migrations. What we identified by looking at some of the documentation provided by SAP is that they had a RACI matrix around what is supported, what is not supported, what's the client's job to do. And we identified an area where we could operate, which is very lacking when it came to operating your client successfully and what SAP's willing to do. And that's where the origin of Bridge Managed Services came. And the RACI matrix that we went through is probably 4,000 lines, and we broke them up into specific table form around transport management or upgrades, what we do, what SAP does, and what are shared responsibilities. And that's where we came up with the Bridge Managed Services offering to actually be able to operate in a more clean, manageable way. We have things like an automated transport tool, which rivals Charm, where it has a workflow-driven, approval-based, automated. You don't have to look at the transports, you don't have to manage anything. Everything can run through a portal and it looks really great. We have automated daily checks, which assists SAP in being able to assess when an issue is going to come. And there are many instances that we are busy adapting. All we're looking to do is we're trying to make clients' lives that are running in the cloud easier.